Hello all, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video from this playlist, we explored impersonation in ServiceNow, a helpful feature for admins and support staff to view the platform from another user's perspective, making troubleshooting and validation much easier and safer. Now let's talk about a different but critical topic that often raises concerns around platform security and role access. If an admin needs to modify access controls, by default, even user with the admin role cannot perform these highly sensitive actions. Why? Because ServiceNow enforces an additional layer of protection, the security admin role, which must be explicitly elevated and granted when needed. The security admin role is a powerful elevated role in ServiceNow that grants access to create and modify ACLs. To elevate an admin role to security admin role, navigate to the profile icon at the right top corner of the screen. Click on Elevate Role. In the pop-up window, check the security admin box and click on Update. Once elevated, the security role is activated only for that session and will be revoked upon logout or impersonation, helping to minimize risk. Only a user with both admin and elevated security admin roles can assign the security admin role to another user. Only a user with both admin and security admin roles can assign the security admin role to another user. And that wraps up today's topic, how to elevate and grant the security admin role in ServiceNow. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more practical ServiceNow tutorials. Got a question? Feel free to drop in the comments below. In the next video, we will cover useful troubleshooting feature, viewing logged in users in ServiceNow, including how to identify active sessions and resolve stuck or duplicate logins.